Hey girl, today you're going to get the tea on this wig that I got from Amazon for $137. If you're interested in how I install this wig, stay tuned. Also, I'll link the hair in the description box. Okay, we're going to start off by me looking ugly. Unfortunately, I'm not able to cornrow myself, so I just slicked it back as far as possible. I ordered through Amazon Prime, so my package got to me in about 5 days. I ordered on the 9th, I got it on the 14th. I ordered a 22-inch 4x4 closure wig. The wig did not come with the wig cap, which I thought it was, so I didn't buy one, so I had to use one that I already had. Which I was impressed about because with closure wigs, it doesn't really matter. You don't really need the wig cap anyway. In other install videos that I watched, they clip this part off of the wig. I'm not that experienced in wig installs, so I decided to just tuck it behind my ear and I was fine. Y'all, I was not feeling this wig at all, so I decided to try to do a side part. As you can see, I was having trouble finding a part, so I just decided to use the part that came with the wig already pre-plugged. So I shifted the wig over so I could have that part in the middle. And that gave me a little something to work with. And as you can see, the wig is super transparent and the knots are not bleached. But I'm gonna go back in and fix that later after I install this with some got-to-be glue. Okay, here is where I make a big mistake, y'all. Instead of waiting until after I did my hair to beat my face, I did it before, and I was blending the makeup in with the glue, and I ended up drying it down instead of wiping it off and starting over. So that just gave me a hard time. So I would recommend not. If you're gonna do your face, don't pull your makeup, don't blend your makeup all the way up into your forehead until you're done.
You win. Fight.
Y'all see what I mean? So I'm gonna go ahead and remove that off camera and come back when I'm tying my edges down. I wanted to loosen up these grandma curls and lay the closure as flat as possible, so I invested in a hot comb from Amazon as well. As I was putting the heat to the closure, I noticed that I was getting these flyaways, which I learned from watching other install videos that this is a telltale sign that it's a synthetic wig or it has like synthetic hair blended in with the human hair. Just a heads up. So I ended up going in with my flat iron to see if I wanted to style it as a straight wig or a curly wig, and to put it to the ultimate heat test to see if it was a synthetic wig or not. I ended up opting for the curls, so I decided to do some loose curls with my flat iron. I saw on other install videos that as a trick they use the freeze spray to lay down the flyaways, and that ended up working for me.
Knockout. You win. Fight.
Y'all, I really don't know how to pluck the lace, so I'm just doing it for the hell of it. Since I don't know how to bleach knots or anything like that, I decided to go in with the Maybelline Loose Finishing Powder in the color Dark. Y'all, I was scared to see what it looked like when I uncovered it because I was still having that glue and makeup disaster. Here I'm laying the edges with the freeze spray, and I also left my natural edges out on the sides so I can lay those as well, just to give it a more natural look since it's not a full lace front.
Fight.
And that's how I installed the wig. I think I did pretty good for my first time. I would definitely recommend this wig to beginners. It was super easy to install and it was super affordable. The only con to the hair was that I believe it was a synthetic blend, but it still took the heat very well. If you like this wig or this install was helpful, make sure you hit the like button, comment down below, and subscribe to this channel.